Miltrim Farms was started in 1988 by my dad, Scott Trimner, and my uncle, Tom Miller, with the help of my grandpa. And over the last several decades, we've continued to expand. We currently produce about 300,000 pounds of milk every single day. U.S. farms are the most efficient dairy farms in the world, and so we regularly get tours from all over the world. Just to learn more about what we do here in America.
This is primarily heifers, and we're actually setting up for the first time a late lactation pen.
One of the big challenges with farming is we don't get to decide what we sell our milk for. It's kind of based on the general market. And so you have to be very efficient with everything that you do.
So here we are in the robotic milking facility. We milk about 1,800 cows.
Farms use a lot more energy than they have in the past, and Xcel Energy is a key partner to help them expand their operations. We had to put a lot of infrastructure, power lines in for this new facility. We also installed lightning arresters on our lines to help with sporadic outages during lightning strikes.
You see all the LED lighting that Miltrim's has done. They could have put high pressure sodiums, metal halides in here, but nope, they looked at LEDs.
I help farms like Miltrim Farms with energy efficiency projects and energy efficiency savings. We will do audits and walkthroughs with Xcel Energy to lower that electric bill.
Miltrim's could have just put a fan in that was on and off, but they put the VFDs in, high efficiency fans.
Partnering with Xcel Energy and Focus on Energy together has been really great. They have really helped guide us to the right incentive programs, to the right products that are going to make us more energy efficient. We've saved right around 3.3 million kilowatt hours of energy through all of the energy savings programs that we've done and all of the changes we've made, which is enough to power the whole village of Athens, our local village, for a whole year.
These farms are feeding families all across America, and it's nice to see Xcel Energy be part of that.